the lower arm and upper arm. We will go into detail more tomorrow, right, for pictures. But just to show you how to do it, to practice it, so we get to know how to do it. It's the same as for the elevation sling, but instead of putting the arm up, it is placed in the right angle. Right? And instead of the bandage going over the arm, it goes underneath the arm, like this. And the end is placed on this side. So, arm downwards, bandage under the arm. Okay? Just lift this up like this, and we try on the side. Right? The knot is on the side, over here. They're always on the side of the injured arm. And lift up the sneaky. The arm has to be supported in a right angle. Or slightly raised, but a right angle is better. And this is the arm. Then we put the fingers showing so we can see circulation. But it has to be supported like this, not like this. If we do this, it's not, because it does not support. There are fractures to the bone here. Okay, it will cause pressure on it. It has to be straight. Okay? It has to be like this. Alright? Okay,